In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently upload a video to Google Drive, capture a screenshot, and link it within a Google Docs file. This process is especially handy when you need to share videos conveniently through documents. Let's walk through this step by step, ensuring that everything is crystal clear. First, open your web browser and head over to drive.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Google account using your credentials. If you're already logged in, this step will be quicker. Now, uploading your video is straightforward. Begin by clicking on the button labeled New on the left side of your screen. From the drop-down menu, choose File Upload. This will open a new window where you can locate the video you wish to upload from your device. Select your video and then click Open. The uploading process will begin immediately, and you'll see a progress bar at the bottom right corner indicating how quickly your video is being uploaded to Google Drive. While waiting for the upload to complete, it's a good idea to make sure your internet connection is stable to facilitate a smooth upload. Once your video is uploaded, it's time to refresh your browser. This is an important step to make sure your recently uploaded video appears in your Google Drive interface. After refreshing, you should see your video file displayed. Now, let's proceed to watch the video and take a screenshot of it. For this, you can use a tool like Snipping Tool on Windows or any similar tool available on your operating system. Take a moment to open the video and take the screenshot that you need for your document. Having captured the screenshot, turn your attention to docs.google.com. Open an existing document or create a new one from scratch, whichever suits your needs. Inside the document, position your cursor where you want to insert the screenshot, right-click and select Paste to insert the screenshot into the document. Next, return to Google Drive to ensure that your video link is shareable. Locate your video and click on the Share option, usually represented by a small icon of a person with a plus sign or the word itself. When the sharing settings open, you'll notice that the default setting might be restricted. Change this to anyone with the link. This ensures that anyone who has the link can view the video. Then click Copy Link, followed by Done to finalize your settings. Now, navigate back to your Google Docs document, right-click on the inserted screenshot, and choose Insert Link. In the box that appears, paste the link you copied from Google Drive. After pasting, click Apply to activate the hyperlink. And there you have it. By clicking the linked screenshot, viewers will be directed to your video immediately. With these steps complete, you've successfully linked your video in a Google Docs document. This method is great for sharing projects, instructions, or presentations with anyone efficiently.